How to cancel skip the dishes order. If you wish to cancel skip the dishes order, first it depends upon how long has it been since you placed the order. If it has been only just a minute or two and the rider has just processed your order but the restaurant has not started preparing it, in that case your order could be cancelable. Now, if the restaurant has already started preparing and packaging your order, in that case your order might not be cancelable. Even if it was, you are most likely to incur a certain amount of fee. So for this, we can try contacting the rider or the restaurant or the health center, but if you're lucky, sometimes you should be able to cancel the order. Open up the Skip the Dishes app and then you see this type of interface. Go to the Orders tab from the bottom right of the screen. Over here, you'll be able to see a list of orders that you have. So basically, just select the order that you want. Once you select the order that you want to over here, then you will be able to go ahead and then enter your order details, and then there you can find the cancel option next to it. Otherwise, you can tap the help icon, select cancel order, and then you'll be able to cancel it. That way you'll be able to cancel skip the dishes order. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.